Hey guys, today it's me, Carlos Paz, my YouTube channel. I have a YouTube channel, Carlos Paz. You might not really find it because there's a lot of Carlos Paz. So yeah, but it has like a little C that's white and it's like light blue, and there's like a light blue circle. So yeah, today I'm gonna do an unboxing with some pair of Vans and some pair of Nikes. So yeah, let's get into it. First, I'm gonna start with the Vans. Let's get into it. And these are Vans Athletic size 3 in the all black colorway. I've been wearing these first. This is not really like an unboxing. I've been wearing these for a few months with the Vans. It's kind of ripped because I was skateboarding one time, so it got kind of ripped. So yeah, you got the Vans tag right there. You got the Vans of the Wall logo. You got the waffle bottom. So yeah, let's get into the next shoe. The next shoe is this. See, Nike Air Ultra Run. Okay, the Nike Air huarache. Nike Air Huarache Run Ultra. This is a GS. I'm a size 4 in these, and they're all black. So, by the way, the price was $95, but it was plus taxes. It was $95, so it was plus taxes. So they cost like $180. So yeah, you're not really gonna be able to see them because they're like way too black. Here they are. I'ma break you off.
Without candy, I'm afraid your house is a bullseye with shingles. Nice try.
It says Nike Air right there.
Babysitter? Okay, maybe
see that right there?
parents you work for left you $40 in emergency money. Maybe they left me $30. Maybe you give me $20.
See that you got Air right here, and it says like Nike right there. And here's the huarache logo.
One bag, and I'll toss in a licorice, right?
Yeah, and they're laced. So I laced them. So I'm gonna do in the video of that how to lace them. So guys, that's it for this video. So see you next time.